Good morning. So now we're here in Payao Mangrove. So we're gonna go in San Jorge and Matuginaw to another exploration. So it's Sir Manny, Ma'am Ethel, and Kuya Nol's Live Print TV. So we're gonna have our lunch first at Payao Mangrove Restaurant. So we have an energy to explore. Our lunch now at Payao Mangrove para may energy. Hindi malupad. Yan ang sekreto. Nice. Eating time. Nandam. Carbo loading. Ayan po. Alright. So we're on the way now to Matuginaw. So we don't anymore visit Tayan Falls because it's raining. So we decided to proceed to Matuginaw, Samar. Arrive in Matuginaw. Yeah, we're going to have a courtesy call with the mayor, Bollier, Aran Bollier. So we're gonna visit the mayor of Matuginaw. Visit their municipal hall here in Matuginaw to see the mayor. Let's go. So, we're gonna getting our bike, so we start biking now, going to Santa Cruz and Barangay Santa Cruz. I'm going to Barangay San Isidro here in Matuginaw. Oh, sige. One. Okay, it's raining. May crispy pata pa.
Kuya Junan oil.
Okay, we'll start our pushing now because we're gonna cross this river going to Barangay Santa Cruz, Matuginaw. Let's go. In the river. Yeah, river crossing. The car is only there. Put our car there. Time to go biking. It's my time to cross. Let's go. With my bike there. Okay, sada na. I'm gonna hike. Bye car. See you later. So we're gonna go now to Barangay Santa Cruz and later San Isidro. We're now in Barangay Santa Cruz. First barangay in Matuginaw.
After 1 hour.
After few minutes.
Oh. Few minutes.
Santa Cruz, Matuginaw, Samar. Okay. Sige. So now we're going now to San Isidro. Okay. See you there. Sige, diretso. San Isidro. Live Print TV. Kuya Nold. Driving na Barangay San Isidro. There, Barangay San Isidro. Driving down Barangay San Isidro. Yeah, yay, Matuginaw, Barangay San Isidro. We are here in their school, elementary school. Yeah, we're in Barangay San Isidro, Matuginaw. So we try to go to Del Rosario if we have time.
Mga after 1 hour dun sa
Only 1 hour going here. Not so far. Salamat. Okay. Okay. So said going to Barangay del Rosario takes 3 hours but walking. Cannot bike anymore there. And it's all mountain to Barangay del Rosario. So maybe we just stop here in Barangay San Isidro. We're here in Cabercord, Barangay San Isidro. Yeah. So we just stop here, gonna take a rest, and later we turn back and go back to Matuguinaw proper. So hopefully we can still visit a cave in Cathedral Cave. So they say this barangay, they have many caves here around the area. So hopefully we can also visit this March during the expedition with the French. Yeah, nice here, biking. Babalik na kami kasi we finish our visit in Barangay San Isidro. Will not anymore go to Del Rosario because it takes 3 hours just walking. Cannot bike. Maybe next time for hiking. Okay, let's go back to Matuguinaw proper so we can visit Cathedral Cave if we have still time. Yeah, very nice. There's a big tree there. Yeah, on the top of the tree. Beautiful. Uphill King. Uphill King. Uphill King. Yeah, made it. Good. Congratulations. Yeah. Sisiw ano?
Sisiw.
Sisiw. Ito chicken. Chicken?
Chicken lang.
Ito. Dandan soy.
Ostrich, ostrich yan.
Ostrich na ito, ostrich.
Kanya ostrich.
Oh. Ano? Water pa?
Motor pa.
Mapad pa?
Mapod pa.
Oh, ito. May fighting spirit. Di ba? Sit here in Maharas Falls in Barangay Santa Cruz. So let's go to Maharas Waterfall. So just cross the river down there. So we're gonna see their waterfall. This is also a tourist spot here in Matuguinaw. Maharas Falls. Oh, pwede. Sige. Ah, there, Maharas Waterfall. Yeah, we see the Maharas Waterfall here in Barangay Santa Cruz, Matuguinaw. Yeah, this is one of the tourist spot. Maharas Falls.
Oh, sige, kay Dudron ka mo.
Very nice, this one. Ah, the barangay is there. Ah, mga local. Ah, well, yeah. Ah.
Kayo.
Okay.
Maangas, maangas.
Ah. Happy na.
3, 2, 1.
Ah, magwapo.
Dapat A.
Tra. Para perfect. Sige. Tirig ka mo. Oh, durungan ka mo, durungan.
Ah, doon.
Oh, doon tayo doon sa falls na. Doon tayo sa falls. Oh, doon sa falls na. Ah.
DJI ka? Apps. Yung selfie.
Woo! Yay! Okay. Wow, dance. Oh yeah, budot 5. Okay. Yay! Ah, ito yung falls nila. Maharas Falls.
Halaram tidak.
Oh, haral lang. So, Maharas Falls.
Taga din mo tubig. Ano kasi yan sa
Yeah.
Nagpinuran.
Maharas Falls. So, we're gonna side trip here in Barangay Santa Cruz.
Picture? Sige.
Okay. Gonna relax here in Maharas Falls. So later we're going back again to biking again, going where we're gonna pick up truck back to Matuginaw. Yeah, very nice here. Maharaj Falls. The Barangay Santa Cruz only there in front.
Silot para
Sige.
makasnak.
Sige, para mabidyohan ang kuhan. Masa ka? Madodron.
Hello, record. Wait lang kuya, anay kuya.
Tusal na lang. Okay.
Kuya, tama yun.
Sige, ito na. Dinodron na si kuya.
Tanggalat niya na, bitay.
Tagala.
Tanggala ito para ka nakikitaan.
Tabtaba.
Tanggala ito, ito.
Kasi.
Oh.
Okay, very good. Dinodron habang nagkukuha ng boko. Okay, very.
Iton.
Iton. Ito na, nahulog na. Okay, wow. Wow, may coconut na kami. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Oh.
Okay, para liwat ka mo inom.
Oo.
Tagay mi drone.
Wow! Tumalsik. Madami coconut. Okay. Manilot tayo, manilot.
Nilo, ala kay kuwan limbaon.
Oh, mamay, marasa ito.
Sir limbaon.
Malimbaon.
Ang pula. Sige.
Okay, sige.
Oh, tab-tab.
Tayo naman. Tayo.
Okay. The waterfall. Maganda. Juice. Nice juice. Buko time. Sarap. Yeah, energy. Oh, yan mini buko. Ito pa si kuya. One more. Lak siya magparot. Ginaganon lang pala. Kuya. Okay. Oh. Sige na. Sananin mo. Wow.
Hop.
Oh, okay.
Alitin mo sir kay kuwan.
Oh, malaking loho. Oh, oh, picture. Smile.
Dito kuya.
Oh, higap na. Okay, Captain, Barangay Santa Cruz. Saluyan nila Print TV.
Pag-election na din na akong magasto. Barangay Captain, Barangay Santa Cruz.
Ano nga rin yung waterfall dito?
Maras Pool.
Oh, amo na nila Maharaj Falls, nahara nila yung barangay no, kaya dila atubang yung barangay, di ba? So, dili ko din niya harayo tikang ha proper. So, mga pwede ni mamarigo kamo din nila Maharaj Falls. So, damo salamat. Barangay Kapitanan nimo hospitality amon.
Salamat.
Sige, mabalik na lang kami ni sunod ng mga panahon liwat.
Salamat.
Okay. Kamera barangay. Bye-bye Maharaj Falls. So, we're going back to the barangay. Only in front there. So this is the waterfall, Maharaj Falls, and the river in front is their barangay, Santa Cruz. So not far away from their barangay. Yeah. So you can swim here anytime. Yeah, hiking now. Okay, back to barangay. Yes. Oh bye. Oh bye. Our bike there. Barangay Hall. Barangay Santa Cruz. Oh, din eh. So this starts Out. Okay. Let's go, let's go. Gonna cross lang. There, look. Gonna ride now the pickup. Okay, crossing the river again. Back to the car. Now we're gonna stop here. We're gonna have a snack there. Fish ball or squid ball. Snack time in Matuguinaw.
Mura.
Wow. Snack time.
Okay.
Anong squid ball ang yaran ni kuya?
Ay, bawi na.
Anong yaran ni? Fish ball. Ah. Dari tempura.
Fishbowl from Matuguinaw.
Snack na ka mo. Okay, fish ball.
Ay, pila ka? Din. Rin.
Oh.
Ito ako, basta mga ganyan. Ganyan. Ayos. Pag nakatapos ka, baka maging chip ka dito sa ano. Matuguinaw.
Talaga.
Pag ano, yung pamunga ng sunis, benta rin ako dun.
Sideline na sideline, no?
Sipag sir, masipag. Diskarte.
Huwag muna kayo.
Oh, sige.
Amo din sila nga diploma and diskarte, ano?
Ano
Kailangan gumalaw-galaw.
Ang kinhagis na niya sa atin kanina.
Kuya, tagpirain nila yung fishbowl.
7 ka pupusing.
Oh, pito, ano?
Oh, snack time. Snack na tayo ng fish ball. Pangaon, fish ball. Yummy. Dikyam. Dikyam. Very yummy. Snack time. We're already here in the proper of Matuguinaw, so we already visit our guide. And our guide going to Hinoplacan tomorrow is not available. But it's referring name Lusting. So tomorrow we're gonna have another guide. Hopefully it's available for Hinaplacan, Mount Hinaplacan here in Matuguinaw. We can climb there. So we're gonna see first the tourism officer, Mr. Alexis Ogacho. So we're gonna see where we're gonna stay overnight here in Matuguinaw. In Matuguinaw. So dinner time. Okay. Ano yan? Limpo. Okay. So dinner in Matuguinaw.
Mga alas 7 na yan. Alas 7, alas 6.
Dinner time.
Barbecue
Matuguinaw. Yummy.
Tama ba? Bahay naman masama si Dibu.
After here, we're going to the cave. Still looking for the cave, for the guide. We're ordering our for dinner for tonight. Yan.
Yan.
Yes, sir. For tonight. Sige, ano? Yan na lang. Yan na. Tama na. Sige. So, we have already for dinner tonight, 10 o'clock. So, already here in Sapa area, so we already find a tour guide going to Cathedral Cave. So, Tatay is there, our tour guide. Ano ni Tatay?
Yuping.
Ano? Yuping?
Yuping yo.
Oh, Yuping. Oh, Tatay. So, ano karayo to na atong lungib? Natay kang din niya iyo Sapa. Mga pira ka minuto. Ngadto. Pira?
6 minutos.
Pira. 10 minutos la. Ora nila nga yan. Ha?
Mag-15.
Okay, sige. Damo salamat. Kuya, bike lang kami. Salamat, tay. Kadi kami. Sige, that's already our tour guide. Ano? Tay, aping? Ano yung mga ran? Yopil, ano? Yopilyo? Ano na apelyido? Agrobay. So, kami na tour guide, Cathedral Cave. So, 7 o'clock kami nag-caving kay gabi na. Gabihan kami. Okay, ready for Cathedral Cave. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. We there.
Hindi na pa kami ready.
Oh, night caving na tayo.
Imbis na nga naturog na po kanya na.
Okay. Ready for Cathedral Cave. Now, almost there. We're near now the Cathedral Cave. Mountain climbing. Mountain climbing ano? Parang hindi caving. Akala ko magki-caving tayo. Bakit tayo umaakyat? Because it's there. We there. So nasa tuktok yung kuiba, yung Cathedral Cave. Sabi patag. Patagilid pala. Sabi madali. Madaling araw na pala. Pagapang pa. Malapit na. Almost there. Cathedral Cave entrance. Ora climbing na. Entrance na kami. Nasa taas yung entrance. Cathedral Cave. We're now here at the entrance of Cathedral Cave. Yeah, you're already there. Preparing to enter. Yeah, Cathedral Cave. Okay, let's go caving in Matuguinaw. It is 7:36 in the evening. 6 in the evening. So we start our caving in Cathedral Cave, Matuguinaw. Yung entrance.
Caving sa Matuguinaw.
So we're gonna crawl down there.
Sakit ng...
Okay.
Mana tibag ko ah.
Ah.
Oh.
So gagapang tayo dyan. Sige.
Patagilid.
Sabi patag, patagilid pala.
Snake roll.
Paninguro boy.
Okay, yan. Nakapasok na.
Kaya ginawa ko yun nga kuan.
Ha? Trabaho?
Trabaho.
Because it's there. We there. Oh, sige. Gapang-gapang. Patag. Patagilid.
Sinula.
Yan, sige. Sipa. Ayan na. Nakapasok na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Si Lola. Okay. Ito na. Nakapasok na. You will born again. Gapang! Hala, dito ako kumakas yan. Lumalaki na ako. Ano ba yan? Mawawalan ako ng trabaho. Hala. Ano ba yan? Stuck up na.
Ano lalo? Okay ka pala.
Natanggal ang bilbil ko. Naiwan yung bilbil ko.
Naipit. Nawala na yun. Nagkawawarayang ka na Carter.
Oo. Nahubuan na ako.
Ano dyan? Alam mo kung ano si Par ng ano, camera.
Sipan.
Ito.
Oh, yan. Sige.
Reels.
Mandris par.
Para
Dahil par. Ari ka cancer naman par. Sige natin yung video par.
Baka na.
Sige par.
Sige, sunod.
Tapos kay Vin.
Yan.
Daming camera yun. Parang artistic pumapasok.
Oo. Maraming paparazzi, oh. Mga nagbibideo, paparazzi.
Tapos kay Vin. Sige man din. Medyo pinurala pa ko yung
Yan. Bibilang kita.
Ka naman.
Maghanap tayo.
Di ka lang napalat.
Ano Vin? Mas murala ba?
Di ka lang napalat tala.
Okay. So we're going now exploring Cathedral Cave. Okay, let's go. Oh no. Wearing my sandal. Caving with sandal. No good. Slippery. That's okay. Because this only is easy cave. Can walk in the flat surface. Oh wow, beautiful. Oh.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Ano?
Very beautiful.
Yan, beautiful. Okay. Okay.
Nasa bumili lang tayo pa. Ano pa yun sa mga?
Okay.
Very nice.
Very nice cave. Okay, explore. Taras. Oh. Ganda. Inside the cave, can see nice formation there. So beautiful. Nice cave. Okay, let's go. Caving in Cathedral Cave, Matuguinaw, Samar. One of the tourist attraction here. Yeah, laki. So big cave, Cathedral Cave. Very beautiful.
Tingnan mo yung liit ng tao. Tapos yung laki ng kuweba.
Big cave.
Ito mo pakuha rin kayo, Jo.
Sige.
Nagbibideo ka?
Got. Yeah, beautiful. Cathedral Cave. Yeah, beautiful cave. Ito na tayo. Ha? May mga kwan dito, donut. Oh,
May mga formation.
giant na donut, oh. Dunkin' Donut.
Ibig sabihin may tubig to.
Parang terraces. Oh, dito may tubig na.
Ayun, ito yung malaking dike.
Oh,
Ganda yan.
irrigation siguro ito.
Irrigation.
Oh, dito may dike. Oh, dito may dike pa, oh. Oh, yan. I say there's a water here. There, oh. Wow, clear water. There, see? Oh, beautiful. Clear water. Can go swimming here. Like a lagoon. Natural bathtub. Oh, tingnan nyo.
Wow. Secret one.
Yeah.
Secret pool.
Yeah, secret pool.
Oh, ganda.
Tapos, ready din na din ni tatay, ano? Waray na nga doon, ano?
Bumaba. Tapos umakuan, umahon.
Kaya yan.
Wala nawakas.
Walang hawakan, papalikilahin ka na lang namin.
Sige, layog dayon.
May panty dito. Oh. Grabe naman.
May
Panty.
anti.
Tulong. Ang lamig. Pero,
Tanggalin mo. Basura yan. Okay na, dalhin natin. Hindi, tela lang yan.
ang ganda. Ganda bro.
Oh, basura.
Okay.
Okay, swimming. Love. Tugudugudugudug. Okay, ayan. Swimming na si Kuya Nold.
Ang sarap.
Anong feeling? Mahaba pa?
Meron ba dito?
Sige, explore mo. Oh, nag-explore na Kuya Nold. Ayan. Bumalik na si Kuya Nold.
Okay. Lulubog na!
May bathtub.
Malawak pa doon, malawak.
Okay. Gagapang ka. 1, 2. Ayan. Sige. Pasok. Oh. Okay, sige. Kadila ko na. Okay. Fresh na. Refreshing. Oh, nakaligo na si Kuya Nold. Oh, magliliwang ka na lang para diretso na kuan, katurog. Chandelier. Ah, very nice. Like a chandelier. Oh, balik tayo. Oh, bye-bye, pool. Oh. Na, gusto mo matry? Ha? Maray ka naman ko na.
Gusto mo?
Lalamigin.
Balak mo yata.
Going back now. So just finish your taking a bath there. Only Kuya Nold because it's cold. So we go to another chamber there. Going back now. So we go to another chamber. Tata is there, our guide. Many like flowstone this side. Huh? Beautiful entrance. Like to, or still continue there. Okay. O yan, maganda. White na white siya. Oh, ito na yung dead end. O yan. Oh. Ito, maganda. Para siyang white na white. Oh, doon. So, dead end na. O dyan, tayo lang kay. Yeah, nice. 1, 2.
Magmula ito di balay.
Oh, magalang balay ano. Mapawa. Oh, ganda.
Dito wala na to.
Yes, sir. Exploring. So it's already dead end there. Oh, water also. Mga pang-view tayo, ano? Damo na yung mabisita dyan ay kinupod yan eh. Damo.
Tagdua ka auto.
Din eh, damo nga yan. Ikaw lang po na sa?
Tugan.
Oh, they're beautiful. We're now inside the cathedral cave, so you can see very nice formation. Closed on calcite, it's like a curtain. So it's very nice cave, big cave, like a cathedral. So come visit Matuguinaw Samar. Nice. Wow. Beautiful. Cathedral cave. Nice. Okay. Wow. Beautiful. The reflection. Oh, ganda. Reflection of the. Oh, ito lang pala siya. Ito ang totoo na. Yung sa ilalim, tubig lang yan. Reflection lang yan, no? Pag inano natin, tubig. Pero pag inangat natin yung light, reflection. Ganda. Okay, nice. We're here in the dead end. Cathedral Cave. So come visit here in Matuguinaw, Samar. If you visit Maslog Spring or Sapa Cold Spring, so if you want to visit, just coordinate their tourism office here in Matuguinaw. So they can give you a tour guide like Tatay. So Tatay are tour guide here. So when you visit there, you need a tour guide. Yeah, later few minutes we're gonna go out Cathedral Cave. I'm back to Matuguinaw for dinner. Nice. Setting a hole here, we call this one like a photo booth or photo frame.
Okay na.
So we're now here in Putubot. Oh, smiley.
Ilong mo. Ilang.
Heart, wow. May heart ya, Valentine's lagi hapon. Wow, may heart ya, Valentine's lagi hapon. Wow.
Hindi na kita.
Oh, na, di nakita. Kita agad, oh. Yeah, Putubot. In Cathedral Cave.
Pumunta pa yung mukha mo. Baba mo ng konti.
Ah,
Ayan.
Okay. Putubot. Very nice. Nice formation here. And the Putubot there.
Ano, mga daw, ba yun?
Ano ang?
Sige, explore lang na, ma'am. Ita dito, may pa. Para,
Pasok sa loob doon.
oh, tingnan mo. Oh, pasok ko yun, Old. Itong Explorer. Live Print TV Explorer. Okay na, yun lang. Tapos na. Ayan, lumalabas na. Lumalabas na. Ayan.
Babae.
Ay. Ayan. Ayan na.
Ayan na.
Ako na niya.
Unggoy, lumabas.
Lola, pinabas, Lola.
Lula.
Hindi bibin lumabas, Lola pala.
Tumako. Joke na.
Going out now. So finish our exploring around Cathedral Cave. Time to go to the exit. We're leaving ng Cathedral Cave with Tatay there. So bye-bye Cathedral Cave. We made it! Let's go! Yay! Okay, let's go. Let's go back.
Go.
Back to hiking. Okay, let's go. So go back now, going to the exit of Cathedral Cave. Nice cave, beautiful. Beautiful cave. Yeah. Yeah, beautiful.
Only in the Philippines.
Jen? Oh, baka may cave pa sa ilalim. O yan, di pa na-discover, oh.
Since pasintensya.
So maybe there's another chamber there.
Parang 5 lang sa rutan mo.
Okay. Go. So actually, there's also a way there. There's already an exit there. But you need to cross the wood there, but it's already broken. And also dangerous when you cross there because really high. So we just go the same way. The crawling. So that's the way there, going up. So you can go up there, climb. See the wood there? So there's still a wood there. So that's the way going up there. You cross there, and you go up there. So you can exit also there. Hand there. Hand formation. Yeah, very nice. Oh. Para siyang kamay. Yeah. Very nice. It's like a hand rock formation. Yeah. Nature. Art of nature. Okay, going to the exit na kami. Bottle here. So you don't leave your garbage when you go inside the cave. You need to bring it out. So there's a rubbish. Not good. Another sleeper here, see? So maybe they go in the cave only using sleeper. And it's broken. Yeah, you need to bring it out, all the garbage. It's not good to leave your garbage here in the cave. Leave it natural. So balik kami sa entrance na mag-exit na kami. Okay. Almost there. Is there, going to exit now.
Kuya Jun, ang
Oh, tubig. Kakamangin na. Kakamangin na ni Kuya Nold. Okay, time to the exit. I can go back to the highway. Oh, malapit na kami. Yay! Highway na. Pabigyan pa natin si tatay.
Meron bang ano?
Anay tay? Anay? Oh, anay. Oh. Oh, anay. Katatagan ka pa. Damo na salamat mo pag-guide tay. Pag may bisita mo, balik-balik lang kami dito. Wala mong kontakon. Ha? Okay. Anong ngaran ko na tayo? Imong kompleto ng ngaran?
Yupilyo.
Yopelyo na to?
Agrobay.
Agrobay? O tatay, Yopelyo Agrobay. Bilingalan niyo ni kung karinyo magkanto Cathedral Cave. Amin ang makarit na tour guide. Hindi na matuginaw. Cathedral Cave. Kadilahi ato bang sapay rabalay.
Makarito tate kay
Sapay Spring.
Nilas.
Oo.
Tulokad sa pa.
Pati dala o. Sabi na.
Tatay Yupi.
Palipay.
Salamat
O, salamat tayo.
Salamat.
Okay, para paghapon. Sige, salamat tayo. So kami, going back na kami sa among pick up. Nakapark sa police station. Okay, road na. Yeah. Here at Matuginaw police station. Pick up our car. Yeah. Okay, we're going to Matuginaw proper. So we're gonna go now to our accommodation there. We're gonna eat our dinner first. Kasi kami, damo salamat. We're gonna barbecue. We're gonna eat now our dinner. Yeah, barbecue. Woohoo! Dinner time, barbecue in Matuginaw. So, gonna eat our dinner. Already 9:24 in the evening.
Ate, salamat kayo.
Yeah, nice caving in Cathedral Cave. Oy.
Nice meeting you.
Lola, niyan.
Ano na? Pare, nagluluto pa kami naman dinner.
Nakahabol pa barbecue.
Okay, nag-reserve na kami. Nag-reserve na kami. Okay. Pangaon. Our accommodation here in Matuginaw. So this is like a homestay because there's no hotel yet in Matuginaw, Samar. So we just stay here in the like a homestay. So the name is Gina, the owner of this house. So near the church. So we're gonna sleep now. Good night. See you tomorrow for Mount Hinoplacan. I'm gonna go mountain climbing. So just go there and come back, vice versa. So climb 4 hours and climb down another 4 hours. So another big day tomorrow. Good night. There's my gear here. And there's the room here. So there's a bed. I sleep here. So it's good. Something to sleep. Ano? Natulog na kita. Sakasakan oray. Habos daw kita. Kita daw dito. Morning. So now it's our second day here in Matuginaw, Samar. So we just sleep here in Gina house because there's no hotel. It's only like a homestay. So as you can see, it's still foggy outside. Still like Baguio because it's a thick fog. Very nice, very cold. So today we're going to climb Mount Hinoplacan. So we go now mountain climbing. So yesterday we go biking and caving. So today we go mountain climbing. So going up takes about 4 hours and go down also. So we just go vice versa. So after climbing the mountain, we go back to Catbalogan. Or maybe we can visit some cold spring along Matuginaw also. The Maslog and Sapa. Matugnaw cold spring. So they have actually 3 cold spring in Matuginaw. They have the Matugnaw, in Sapa spring. They have also the Maslog spring and the Sulpan spring in Barus, where the cave flowing out water. Yeah, see you. We're gonna have our breakfast. What is the church there in Matuginaw? And this is the place we stay. Yeah, it's the homestay. Our breakfast here.
Good morning, Nay.
Morning, penaga.
Ito sa kay Bagtingan simbahan.
Ayun lang.
Okay, tisimba ka, Nay, di ba?
Pasensya na kung sa
sige lang.
Di ba, Nay, tisimba ka?
Ito lang po. Sa Bagting pala.
Talaga.
Plato.
Butang ila ng plato.
Breakfast na. Okay. So, breakfast time.
Oh, konting adobo lang.
Pwede na.
Sumasayaw ako.
Okay, kaya na.
Ano okay na
Kaya
nila
muna.
kanon ninyo?
Just finish our breakfast now. We have an energy to climb Tinoplacan. Mount Tinoplacan.
Ang mga yung dani na siya ito ba?
Kaya tanong nga ako,
Dami.
tanong sa akin lagi ang kulit.
Thank you to nanay.
Kaya lang nasama ako.
Wow, yummy. Ano to? Oh, taho. So, kailangan taho. Oh, taho muna para may energy. Oh, recorded na ang kanyang taho. Oh, ayan. Sige, sige, paya, paya.
Kuya, may ada ka na dancer kuya.
Oh,
Dapat kuya!
may promoter.
Bayad na nila kuya!
Ah, taho na.
May malitit ipuan.
Tinda, ano, mahalin.
Kuya, sabi.
Yan, may taho. Good morning. There are tour guide to
Hindi ka na magiginuli.
Tinoplacan. So we have already tour guide. So ready to go. We're gonna leave our pick up here and we're gonna start hiking with our guide. There. Ngaran mo?
Kuya, Agustin, sorry.
Sorry. So mga pirakita ka oras yan ng Tinoplacan. Mga tulo.
Mga tulo.
Upat. Mahinay mo kami. Upat ano.
Pat.
Sige la. Pag ato igbawas, balik lang kita dito. Ano?
Bahay ba uli, malaksi na kita.
Oh, laksi. Dadlagan na yun na kita. Rodney, join us to Tinoplacan.
Yung admin no, ng Matugina ba?
Okay. 8:13 in the morning. So we start our hiking to Tinoplacan. Go. For mountain climbing. Yeah.
Kami ang kandidato
Okay.
na eleksyon.
So Mount Tinoplacan. So 4 hours hiking, going to the top, then come back down. So this is only one day mountain climbing here in Matuguinao. Okay, we're now in Matuguinao. So, dyan, picture. Dito lang, dito. Matuguinao. I love Matuguinao. Yeah, let's go hiking in Mount Tinoplacan. Ready? Let's go! Tabas! Highway, we're gonna go now in this trail. Going to the mountain. Ano, kaya pa?
Ayos pa kay, aga pa. Pala.
Introduction pala.
Dapat na. Ito nakaparego ako.
Other guide. So you have to tour guide. Assault na. Going up. O yan, simula pa lang. Napapasarap na. Assault kagad. Okay, climbing Mount Tinoplacan.
Tapos matindi. 4 days kami nagbike. Katapos sa Kapul, pati kami sa Delopira Island. Balik 3 days.
Kakakin. Matod.
Kaya natin gabi. Tawag ito? Yung bubong sud. Ang kanya. Butnya. Puno na. Lag. Nakita ka, naligid, gran, gano'n.
Pag-hike, may balon.
Pero at mahal na dyan, yung mga kuhan.
Dak maaramad to kay
O
basta.
open niya or wala ya, per group or...
Okay.
Pare.
Okay. Yan, tayo lang. Oh, kapot lang. Sige.
Kapot na ito, dito kamo ko.
Oh, sige.
Na ito.
Go.
Ay, may maligan.
Okay. Yan na, because it's there.
Straight up.
Sige, because it's there.
May sangkuhan naman dito, ubos ma'am.
Oh, yan, yan. Oh,
Katataas, ano?
ito ang guide namin. So, ang guide namin, relax lang.
Nag-bisikleta nakaputan pa natin.
Ay, panikaduhan naman.
Ito lang kami, kuhan, slow. Adi hard way.
Gusto ko din yan makuri.
Dito, easy. Dito hardcore. Kami yung pan hardcore, dito na trail. Yeah, kakamang na. 4x4. Dalakit. Nice. Nice.
Bubol niya yan. Bubol niya yan.
Yeah, nice. Giant dalakit. Passing the like an arc of giant dalakit. See? Very nice. So, big.
Meron pa yatang ganun eh. Parang meron pang ano.
Meron sila
Oh, it's already a cave. Cave down there.
Bito sir, bito. Lalim.
Yeah.
Parang dito na kanya.
So, just like that.
Tapos meron kami kita dito na
Big, big inside.
larong. Estimated mga meters. Akalaram. Siguro mga 20 ano kuya Jo?
Oh,
20 meters. Sulugan natin ng bato.
okay. Fire.
3, 2, 1, go. Amo to may da pa nga di ano? May da pa nga di. Oh. So ganun di. Punta dito may butas dito. Marami. Kapag natisod ka no. Mahulog ka kaya dam or masuot ka. Shoot ka gusto rin ano.
Kakao ni karon lang na master.
Very nice. Relax. Hiking. Bamboo tree. Bamboo. Malaki?
Gano'ng kalaki? Kapitan natin.
Oh, kapitan mo.
Sige sir. Pero nakakita
Kaya lang maliit. Hindi mapunta ito to.
Ito.
Ito.
Malaki. Oh,
Ito.
malaki ng bamboo.
Grabe oh. Tatlong kwan. Dangkal. Bagong mga kwan. Ikot. Tapos may malaki pa na. Baka anti pa rin. Ang ganda sir. Ano yan? Lantaka sir. Ha? Yung pinuputukan
Hindi
na.
ko
Yung
boom.
asyan. Kanyon.
Kanyon.
Boom. Ito yun. Nakaigaling.
Malaki. Oh.
Kanon
Malaki na.
ano? Kanon bamboo.
Laki ng bamboo. Ah, laki. Laki ng bamboo. Ah, giant bamboo.
Forest. Pero ganito na. Tapos pausok. Hiramin mo lang muna yung mga tabla. Doon. Pero
Pahinga din. Yeah, take a rest. Yeah. Still near halfway. Ito hinuplakan. Resting time. Big tree.
Natatangi. Nahibilin.
Ha?
Nahibilin.
Kuwan ba?
Iwan lang yan eh.
Ganda oh. Magbuhay pa ba siya?
Yeah, big tree.
Nagbagay
Yeah, we see a giant tree. There. Maybe century old tree. So it's a big tree. Very nice. We need to protect our trees. So stop the illegal logging. So it's only few left here in the forest. Because some trees are already like this. They cut. Not good anymore. So we need to protect the tree. The forest. Yeah, nice here for hiking. Still many big trees. Okay. Yeah, giant tree.
Tatlong putok.
Relaxing.
Ay, yung ano.
The giant tree there.
Kumakit ka dyan, ano?
Ceremony there.
Tarzan. Tarzan.
Yeah, nice.
Tarzan! Tapos may
Yeah,
badara,
yeah.
ano, badara. Tarzan, ang hari ng tiba.
Saan?
Putyokan, kakatuong ko.
Oh. Sige, saka na Kuya Nold. Climb the tree.
Kuya, dito ka pa kuno, sa ka pa kuno.
Di ako.
Only balagong tree. Oh, sige, kaya pa ito.
Kaya kinala sa akin pag-uli.
Simba ko, ayaw
God.
Ano? Dami mga kahoy. Oh. Reject na niya, reject.
Magal lagi hapon. Magal, papalit na lang.
Relaxing. Oh, chill lang.
Ako kasi relaxing sa kagubatan. Yan nabuwal.
Parang bridge.
Matibay pa set.
Tree bridge.
Parang wala naman akong bilang dito eh.
Walang impact.
May tungkod na si Lola. Okay. So, assault. Yeah, we're now in top of Hinaplakan. This is the campsite. Amo na yung campsite?
Kapsit naman dito.
Pero ang summit, like ba na no? Din. Maray na.
Level mong budlay ini.
Pareho na.
May dala mo ito. Amo
Dito.
mo sudlay ito. Pero halapad.
Halapa din eh. Okay. So mga, anong oras na yun na?
11. Yung mga interval na yun mga masasabi mo.
Magta 12 o'clock.
First Lola to into
Hinaplakan. O Lola, ano masasabi?
Ayos. Bisan
Ha?
makuri. Okay lang, kay diri mapaso.
Okay.
Ayos mo
Enjoy,
pwede.
yeah.
Relaxing irakwan.
Rin, like summit, Hinaplakan. So this is a big mountain.
Anong istorya din ni Naplakad.
So this is the marker here.
Bakit tinawag siyang mga locals na meron daw bumagsak na airplane kaya siguro hinuplak. Parang gano'n doon kinuha.
Ang pangalan ng Hinaplakan.
Dilak sure ha, bangin ko ala. Bentong ano lang.
Tigo-tigo lang, no?
Tigo lang ngayon.
Kuya,
Ah.
sting.
Di mas
Marker.
malupit.
Anon kuan, kaya no hinuplakan.
Yeah.
Kaya dapat.
Asa rin? Ano ko no?
May bagsakan ba siya ng airplano?
Hinaplano, may bumagsak yan din eh. Kakano na ano na to eh. May hana.
Buti pa na ito pa sa barangay.
Oh, napagbagsak. Guti ka pa.
Itay pa.
Amo nga na Hinaplakan. Kamay bumagsak na aeroplano. Kaya, hoplak.
May bumagsak daw dito dati na aeroplano, private plane. Pero hindi na matukoy.
Sa pulos pa.
So nakikita dito yung mga island dyan, Daram. Nandyan yung Biliran Island. Yan. Marapipi, nakikita din banda dito. Okay, yeah, nice. Nice view. So ito yung view when you're in Hinaplakan. Nice view. Ato na kita maglalan.
Kaya makuha nito
Tekpan.
Didi kuya, di kuya nus kay uho, kay malamok.
Dali, papakadaw na tayo mo.
Didi ka, igda.
Dali niya, papakadaw na yung drone.
Ay, na pumunik.
Ya, Pak.
Kahagkot.
Bantaya wa kon mahagdutin niya.
Kahagkot sa
Yeah.
niya. Pinagpinalaw pa yun.
Okay.
Sana uy, may
Kiwaya, ha?
tikpan.
Ayaw kiwaya ha.
Kasabita kami.
Okay.
Karasa.
Padirik, padirik.
Okay.
Didi lah, Didi. Didi kita, Didi.
Picture.
Picture, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, 3, 2, 1. So we see like a chocolate house there.
Yan, yung baba na yan. Barus yun. Barus yun. Ayan. Kasi may parang, ano yun eh.
And the summit of Mount Hinoplacan, 789 meter above sea level. So yeah, made it. Congratulations to us.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yay!
Yeah,
Oh,
go
may
to the
signal.
water.
Yay!
May signal lalakas.
Wow.
Yay. Oh, pa naman, Lola naman.
Lula.
Wow, survive Lola.
Lula.
Oh, paya, paya.
Sign, wala kang ano.
Oh, di na makita yung sign. Oh, Lola.
Sign, Lola.
Tubig na yung kuwan.
May tubig dito sa
Tubig
gitna.
tabang.
Sa gitna
Water
ng
na.
bomba.
Ang gubat, punta na kami ng falls.
Taas.
Ah, sa taas pala. Oh, sa taas.
Hanapin mo yung source dapat.
So, nasa tayo ng bundok. Nasa taas. May tubig.
Hanapin ang source ano.
Batis.
Hindi naman ito nakalimutan. May batis. Oh, lulubig tayo.
River trekking in Mount Hinoplacan. So we're going now to the waterfall. Yeah, hiking in the river. So we're gonna see Hinoplacan waterfall. So we'll have our lunch there. River trekking. They are there hiking. Kuya Nold. Okay. Basta! Oh, beautiful, oh. Parang natural bathtub or swimming pool. Mini pool. Ah, wow, beautiful.
Hindi ko na alam kung anong pangalan dito, pero dito pa tayo sa Hinoplacan na
Nice.
waterfalls.
Hasya na it. Harayo padama.
Siya na it.
Harayo padama.
Oh, river trekking. After mountain climbing, now river trekking. Going to the waterfall, Hinoplacan.
Pabalik natin ang river sliding tayo.
Big tree. Beautiful. Kamang na, kamang. Suhoton. Natural tree. Suhot sa tree. Astig. Beautiful. Gonna pass there. Let's go. Go. River trekking. Ano niya? Sago.
Sago.
Bunayin ano? Itlog ng frog.
Sago, mau pa yun.
Oh.
Sago.
So we arrived now here in Hinoplacan Falls there. Very high. So, ano ka?
Hindi ko nakikita. Ako naman nakikita ako.
Yeah, very high.
Kita ko pala. Excited na ako. GoPro ko is malamig ng GoPro. I'm so excited. Ulogong kong GoPro ko. Mga pwede naging
Very high, Hinoplacan.
Ah, wait.
There, Hinoplacan. So very high there. Need to be careful. So we can fly the drone so we can see the view.
Ay, hindi makikita. Mayroon pa layer. May nasa gad pa. Hindi ka pala mo sa binaubot.
Yes.
Dito may sana.
Laulo makita.
There, Mount Jawa.
Para sa init, pababa na yan. Pero makahigot pa manok. Unta, makabiling.
Mount Jawa.
Tapos babayaran din ang pera tapos higot ano?
Ayaw ah.
3 mil. 3 mil.
Palagi ko, kuya no, mga ulan, ganun, 35 yun.
Ulan.
35 yata eh.
Nice. Pwede doon. Sa Mount Jawa. See the Mount Jawa.
Ala!
Hello. Igo ka.
Ay, baba ka.
Ala ka.
Baba. Paano pag land niyan?
Wala, tadong.
Okay. Dito pa kami pa dito lapit.
Oh, dito.
Dito karakita.
Yeah. Gonna fly to Mount Jawa.
Okay, huwag niyo na video yung drone.
Ayan, dito na yung falls.
Chocolate Hills.
Ganun.
Nagpalapad ka mo rin din yung kwan.
Mount Jawa.
Narating ko na ito kanina eh.
Oh, Mount Jawa.
Picture natin Mount Jawa.
The Mount Jawa there. Very nice.
Baganti pa kuha naman. Baganti. Bagando siya. Ito pa ubos. Yung sa pamalit ko. Patag ito dito sa ubos. Pero kung ito dito sa...
Kung nga ito nga na kuya?
Oo, kailangan kami na yung sa ubos. Nakalungkot ito. Yan sila pag-agi dito. Pero ba iyo? Binusad diba?
Yung tao? Marami na nagsiswimming dito.
Parang ano? To tapsik.
Oh. Oh, lunch time. Oh, yan. Chicken adobo. And rice there. Oh. Paningod to na, paningod to. Oh, lunch time. Naka-label kami. Nala-lunch. Lunch time. Lunch now, we're ready for hiking going back to Matuginaw. The time is already 2:08. 2:08. 2 p.m. and 8 minutes. Let's go. Here now in Hinoplacan waterfall, very high, maybe more than 100 meters, highest waterfall here in Samar. So here only in Matuginaw.
What? Kagirok.
Nakapalambot ng tuhod eh.
Okay.
Parang nahilo ako dun ah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, bye-bye waterfall. Let's go back to Matuginaw.
Abi na, amo na eh.
Oh, beautiful waterfall. Swimming. Oh, nice. Naka-swimming na.
Meaning in the middle of the forest. Picturean ko ngayon.
We're back now to the campsite, Hinaplakan. But now it's many fog now.
Rain na clear.
Foggy na. Oh, see? Cannot see anymore the view.
Rain na.
So gonna rain.
Rain, rain.
Now it's
rain,
already
rain, go away. Away.
almost 3 o'clock the afternoon. So we go downhill. Ready for downhill.
Hindi naman kung tubig di kang didi.
Mm.
Iinom ko lang hahaw didi. Ibalik.
So downhill now, going there.
Inom ko kanina.
Back to Matuginaw proper. Ano, ready na? Follow the guide. Sige, dadlagan na yun na. Oh, sige na. Rolling na, rolling.
Malaki na naman, pwede walang tungkod.
Oh. Yan, tutulungan pa ito niyan, ma'am. Oh, ito na.
Malapit.
Ipaspasan na ni Kuya. Sobda niyo, Kuya, sobda.
Tagal ko ng tungkod.
Bye-bye. Hinaplakan. So, thank you for the visit. So, hopefully next time, you can come also here. So, if you want to visit here, just coordinate to their tourism office
Medyo,
so they can give you a guide.
Mount, ano ba? Mount,
No.
ano, sunod.
Mount Jawa.
Yawa, sunod.
Yeah, I'm gonna explore next time Mount Jawa. So, there's nobody here climb there in Mount Jawa in the other side of this mountain. So, it's the more higher than Hinaplakan. So, maybe by March. So, when we go with the French. Bye bye. Time to go down. Beautiful, foggy. Big tree. It's like an avatar. Avatar movie. Yeah, beautiful. Foggy now. So it's like already we're in Baguio. But only Matuginaw, Samar. Yeah, big tree again. Giant tree. Hotel. Do this first. Ayan. Buko time. Higop.
Ako gusto
Oh,
ko ito.
pampa-energy.
Tangka. Kanda kain niya.
Nasa.
Butang talaga. Bay. Dapat may tangga.
Okay. Snack time.
Sas. Ito ka na kanina pa.
Mati ko nakaturog ka lang nga na ya.
Kasi pa yung over ano.
Yeah. Time to drink coconut. Ah, yummy. Coconut. Along the way. Going to Matuginaw. Snack time. Coconut. Sila. Ito na. Ito na. Ayan na. Oh, yan pa. Huwag mo nang lumigad. One by one lang. So we're near now the proper Matuginaw. So this is the hard going down. Very step you go one by one. Because one false move, you go all the way down there. And you will get injured because this is all rocks there. So we're just crawling down. Kamang-kamang proper Matuginaw. We hear already the sound of the truck. Yeah, made it. Yeah. Almost there. Yeah. Finally. Wow, yun na. Yay! Back to the highway. Yay! Congratulations. So back to the highway. So din na kami proper Matuginaw. Somewhere there. Going to the police station to get the pickup. Yay! Yeah, we made it. Naplakan for day trip. So going up and going down in one day. Very nice. Washing time, washing. Washing time. Yeah, solid. Yeah, made it. Congratulations. So salamat to Rodney, our kwan here in Matuguinaw. Our click. 6:19 in the evening. So we're here in the road and cleaning there. Gonna washing there. Okay. We're cleaning here. We're gonna go back to the Matuguinaw. We're gonna eat dinner with the native chicken tinola. Nice. We're here in Manausting house. So we're gonna eat our dinner. Dinner time with native chicken.
Wow!
Labo salamat sa pag-prepare ang dinner. Wala sa. Ah, salamat. Oh, nga na.
Jinjins. Dito pala kami sa bahay ni Kuya Sting.
Wala na. Cancel.
Okay, bayan Usting. So we're having our dinner here in our guide house. Mano Usting. Sige, salamat. Okay.
Tirahin mo na kahit magkano. Bayaran. Baka 3,000 to.
Oh, yun.
Pagya ka niya, karat pamiling agda yung mga to.
Makakabiling ka dayan.
Pala to, dapat.
Panlaban mo.
Nakabiling ka dayan. Nakabiling ka.
Oo nga, nagiya pa.
Ah, nagiha. Kayo mga makore.
Duwa ito.
Doa ka manok.
Laki.
Mm. Okay, dinner time.
Tara, ati parang kita pe. Bilma.
Bilma, sama ni atong guide.
Dali na kamo. Ako na di.
Tapo na. Kana, kana. Ano may energy? Kaon na, higop na sabaw.
Sabaw.
Native chicken. So dinner time na.
Pagkikakuan na good line niya na.
Oh, chicken. Native chicken. Very nice. Dinner time. Pangaon.
Iya kay mga suni-suni pa wala rod.
Yeah. Need energy. Then after eating our dinner here and we're going back to Katbalogan. Eating time. Leaving na Matuguinaw, going now to Katbalogan. We just arrived home around 9 o'clock in the evening. So damo salamat to our Honorable Mayor Boiler Aran de la Cruz, and also the Matuguinaw Tourism Officer Alexis Ogachu, and also our friend there Rodney Cabrera for assisting us during our visit in Matuguinaw, Samar, the heart of Samar. Damo na salamat also naton mga tour guide and also the homestay na among ginistayan dito Matuguinaw, na nagluto namon mga pagkaon na namon balon, na nag caving kami ha Cathedral Cave and Hinuplakan. So we do mountain biking, caving and mountain climbing in Matuguinaw. So very nice place. So if you want to visit Matuguinaw, just coordinate their tourism officer Mr. Alexis Ogacho. So damo na salamat Matuguinaw, Samar. So see you next adventure. So bye-bye, good night everybody, and thanks also to Sir Manny and Ma'am Ethel and Kuya Nol, Liveprint TV, the Pinakbit adventure team. So see you next adventure. Good night everybody.